All right, guys. So we just smashed step one on step index. So I'm going to show you how I came up with this entry. You can see our first target here. I don't know why it is not out yet, but of course we've smashed that. All right. So this is the next target all the way down to this level, and of course we are risking very small. We are losing just about $5 or thereabout to win more on this market. Okay, that's how we win, myself and my VIP members. That's how we manage to win irrespective of the market condition. We just keep going, and we are consistently milking the market, guys. We are consistently milking the market. Okay, so our signals come with of course we tell the risk you are taking when you are giving out signals. We need to let everybody know this is what you stand to lose, right? This is what you stand to lose if you enter this trade. And that's just the way it goes, so that everybody wins at the end of the day. All right, guys, so how do we come up with this entry? It's very simple. You just have to be able to identify the areas on your chart where price usually reverse from after you must have spotted the direction of the market. Okay, so how do you do that? You just simply just go to the higher time frame, like the daily time frame or the 4 hours time frame, as the case may be. But here you can see that on the daily time frame the market has been trending to the downside. You can see the series of lower lows. You can see the series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows, and all of that. So that of course tells you that the market is going downwards. Of course, you can see the trend line too. You can see that whenever price hits the trend line, it drops, goes back to that place again, it drops. All right, so every single time price hits that trend line, it drops, and it happens over and over again. This is happening on the daily time frame, which is a very powerful time frame as far as day trading is concerned. As far as of course day trading is concerned, the daily time frame is very significant. All right, sometimes I trade using the 4 hours, sometimes I trade using the daily time frame. So the first thing I want to do is identify the market direction, which is what I just showed you guys. So you want to see that clearly this market is going downwards. Right, you don't want to mix that up. You don't want to be confused about that. You want to be very certain that this market is going downwards, and then you want to follow the trend. Okay, so having seen that price is going downwards on the daily time frame, had to quickly just go to the one and the immediate previous time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, to see if price had gotten to that area where it usually reverses from on the daily time frame. You can see that price had gotten to that point here on the daily time frame, and it dropped and went back to retest a certain support around that level, certain resistance around that level, and then it started dropping. And then on the 4 hours time frame, it's obvious that there was a big drop right here from this resistance. You can see that price had dropped all the way down to this level, guys. You can see how long that candlestick is on the 4 hours time frame. So that was a clear sign that the market is now going back downwards. All right, the market is now going back downwards. And just on the next time frame, you can see that it was already creating something that looks like reversal structures. Start creating something that looks like a mini trend. You can see clearly on this time frame, so we are going to have to switch to the lower time frame. Okay, so we go to the 30 minutes time frame. You can see what I'm saying here. You can see that at this level price had retested this trend line and then started just going down. And if you count here, in fact, if you look at it, you can see that there is more of the bearish pressure around this level, guys. You can see that we have more of the red candlesticks, the bearish candlesticks. Okay, you see we have more of the bearish candlesticks and just a few of the bullish candlesticks. This tells you that price had been respecting the sellers for a very long time. That means sellers have been dominant in the market. And switching to a lower time frame, you can see the same thing, guys. You can see the same thing, and this time around you can see the trend clearly. The trend that was already forming on the 1 hour time frame, you can see clearly here. You can see that price hits here, drops, goes back there, drops again, and price had come back to that level again, and it started dropping again. All right, so this was a clear entry, guys. So you switch to the 5 minutes time frame. on this time frame, all I needed to do was see that price has actually retested this level, the level where we spotted using the trend line. Okay, price had come back to that level. All right, now price having come back to that level, it was very easy. It was very easy. Price having come back to this level, it was very easy to tell that the market is continuing to sell. The market will continue downwards. All right, you can see also that basically just look at the candlesticks. All right, look at the candlesticks. When you are on the daily time frame, you are looking at the candlesticks down to the lower time frames, the lowest time frame or any time frame you want to take into consideration. You are looking at the candlesticks and you want to be seeing more of the signals that is giving what you want to go to, where you want to go to, all right, and where you want to go to has to be where the market is leading you to. All right, so here the market was leading us downwards, and all the candlesticks on each of these time frames were showing us more of the downwards direction, more of the rejection from the top side, and more of the bearish candlesticks. All right, so that is basically all you need to have a good trading decision, right? And all of this has to happen on either your support or your resistance. For this market specifically, all right, we're looking to have price come to our resistance level, and then we could slay the step index. All right, we are step index slayers, guys. All right, I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp number on the description of this video, so make sure that you hit the description of this video and click the link to follow our Telegram, to also reach out to me on WhatsApp, please. All right, you need clarity, you need more clarity on this, please reach out to me on WhatsApp. You need to join our VIP group where we make money every day. There's no single day that goes by without us milking, guys, trust me. So you just want to join us there, click on the link, the Telegram link on the description of this video, and you will be there, guys. You have to be there, trust me. You want to be there, you actually want to be there, because you don't want to miss out the free information, the free signals that we send to that platform every single day. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys on the next video.